Handling client expectations and scope from day one is crucial to ensuring smooth collaboration and preventing misunderstandings down the line. It's easy to jump straight into a project, but establishing clear boundaries and expectations right from the start sets the foundation for success. The first step is having a solid kickoff meeting. This is where you lay everything out: timelines, deliverables, communication methods, and budget. Make sure to ask the client questions about their priorities and goals. This will not only give you a clearer understanding of their expectations, but will also help you establish a shared vision for the project. During this meeting, it's important to clarify the scope, what is included, and more importantly, what isn't. You'll want to highlight any areas that could result in additional costs or time commitments, and ensure the client understands that any changes to the scope will be treated accordingly. Another key element in handling client expectations and scope is setting realistic timelines. Too often, clients expect rapid results, and it's up to you to educate them on what's feasible. You'll want to break the project down into clear phases, each with its own timeline. That way, your client sees that progress is being made in manageable chunks, and they can adjust their expectations as needed. It's also important to have a formal contract or agreement. This document doesn't just protect you legally, it serves as a clear outline of expectations, scope, and deliverables. A well-written contract can prevent future disputes, and it helps manage client expectations because they have a clear document to refer back to throughout the project. As you begin working on the project, consistent communication is key to keeping client expectations in check. Regular check-ins and progress updates will keep them informed and help prevent surprises. It's crucial to be transparent when you encounter challenges or delays. Addressing these issues early on can avoid frustration and shows the client that you're in control. If at any point the scope of the project starts expanding, it's important to revisit the initial agreement and discuss additional costs or time needed to accommodate these changes. Clients should never feel blindsided by scope creep, and by proactively addressing any changes, you ensure that you stay aligned with the original goals. When the project is nearing completion, a final review should happen where the client can confirm that the deliverables meet the agreed upon expectations. This review is essential to prevent any surprises at the last minute and ensures both parties are satisfied with the outcome. Key takeaway: from day one, always make sure that the client's expectations are clearly defined and understood by both parties. Be transparent, set realistic timelines, manage the scope carefully, and maintain clear communication throughout. Remember, this starts at the kickoff meeting, where you establish scope and expectations. Keep your client in the loop with regular updates, and be clear about any changes to the project scope. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with a great tool for managing client expectations and project scope, check out the exclusive free trial of the software we've been using in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it.